over time. However, that's a story for another discussion.
Okay, it's just one thing. Can you believe that, like, there's a mobile game, can you believe that this game exists? Like, just saying, Warcraft Rumble. Like, it's a mobile game with with basically it's basically Clash of Titans or whatever. Raid Shadow Legends. Oh, no, it's the other one with the turrets, right? Can you believe that this exists, like Warcraft Rumble? Actually, it doesn't seem to be that bad, but it's just like, god damn. I mean, it makes money and, like, damn. Anyway, let's keep on going.
In any case, the Warcraft